bike. We're gonna, there he is. He's got a broken arm, but other than that, anyway, so this bike, pretty cool. 500 watt motor, but 900 peak, so pretty substantial, you know. And it's got the nice integrated battery, 48 volt, 14 amp hour. Believe it or not, it's got hydraulic disc brakes. You wouldn't think so. And it's got suspension forks for 1,200 bucks. Like, I'm shocked. And that's really good price for something like this. And you know, it's got some nice accoutrements. It's got the fenders. It's got a little light. It's got you know, the nice handling of the cords and stuff. Yeah, it's got Shimano Altus, but what doesn't at this price range? And we're gonna take it for a little test ride. Yeah, so I'm surprised at the accoutrements for this price range, you know. And we're in LA. It's pretty hilly. We're gonna give it a go, give it a shot. So right now I'm in pedal assist 1, and let's just see what it's got, you know. Yeah, a little something. Again, like I always say, a little 5-year-old girl pushing you. Good tennis shoes. 2, a little bump, nice little bump. 8 to 10-year-old boy, athletic, good tennis shoes. And then 3, let's check out 3. You gotta be real careful around here with these goddamn cars and shit. Jesus, it's like Beirut. Okay, 3's real nice. 3's got some nice power. 3 to 4, not a big difference. And 5, it takes off on you for sure. So, yeah, good pedal assist levels. Very interesting that a bike at this price point has a 500 watt motor, as you'd expect, but 900 peak. And I don't know that it shows you the voltage. I don't think it does, but I can tell you, I already rode this bike for Steve, and I can tell you that it's got some power like you wouldn't expect. Like, really? At this price point? And I like that there's got suspension forks, preload and lockout. So Velotric and thumb throttle, 48 volt, 14 amp hour battery. So it's probably going to go throttle only, maybe 18, 20. With pedal assist, you probably get up to 22, 23 maybe. I don't know what they say, but I mean, I just always tell you what my opinion is based on all the bikes I've ridden. We're gonna go up a throttle only, a 6 to 8% grade, and yeah, I mean, it's got some nice power, you know. And it definitely, although it doesn't have the fat tires, it definitely competes with the like the Hemway Cruiser, the Rad Rovers, and they're more expensive. And this has the same motor as them, but higher peak wattage, and it's got the same hydraulic disc brakes. It's got the same 7 speeds. So it's like, it's pretty much the same bike, but it's got an integrated battery, which is like the Rad Rover 6 Plus, and it's got more power. Like, I can already tell you that this has more power right now than the Rad Rover 5, and the Rad Rover 5 is more expensive. Like, we're going up this hill, I'd say 8% grade now, and we're going up at throttle only. Like, really? And then pedaling isn't really even that big of a difference. That's weird. But yeah, to go up this hill at you know, 8% grade, maybe even 10, and to go up at throttle only is just shocking to me. So anyway, this is their low-end bike. I'd never heard of the brand before, but after riding it and you know, the feel test, it's got a nice feel to it. It's nice and rugged. I'm not a huge fan of the handlebars that come back to you like this. I think they're kind of corny looking, but whatever. This is the step-through version. It does have a you know, a step over or high step version, which I think is obviously cooler looking. Pretty cool color. It comes in other colors. Really dig the integrated battery. Really dig the fact that it's got a big a decent sized battery. I really dig the fact that it's got a motor that peaks at 900 watts, and I really like the fact that it's got hydraulic disc brakes. All things I wouldn't expect on a bike at this price point. So I think they don't have a name yet, but if they get their name out there, I think they're definitely onto something, you know. And I definitely think this competes with, you know, some of the bikes that you wouldn't think it competes with, but it does. But yeah, I'm a fan, people. I mean, the fact that it's got suspension fork too, really? At this price? Just shocking. Anyway, so yeah, they're not paying me. I didn't get a free bike. Steve did, but you know, worth checking out, I think, people. I definitely think it's worth checking out. So I would do that if I were you. Check them out, and you're gonna be surprised at the prices. But I can tell you, you know, without bullshitting, because I never do, that this thing's got you know, some nice power, and I'm impressed, you know. So anyway, I think that's gonna do it. We're gonna wrap up this biatch. Thanks again to Steve to let me ride it, and that's gonna do it. God bless. Peace out. Steve wants to do a little footage of me riding.
Nice whistle. Let's do this. 4 shots really quick. You'll go down there, you'll drive past me here. You'll go down there, drive past me here. I'll catch you coming down this hill on another shot.
And then coming up
this hill on the other side, okay?
Okay.
I'm doing it on the other side.
Okay. Sure.
Careful of the car. I thought I heard somebody coming. You want to get a good skid on camera? You want to come at me? You want to get a good skid? Here, I want to get it. I actually want to get one for mine too. So, hang on. Don't run me over. These bad times to hit me. All right, let's go. Whenever you're ready. Skid right into me. Oh shit. Oh shit. Skills. That was cool with 2 cameras. Which one is yours? This one.